Hey, what's up guys? I'm Preet from HV Tech here. Today I'm gonna show you how to unroot and remove the custom ROM of Samsung Galaxy Grand 2. So like since a year I've been using this ROM which is CyanogenMod 12, and nowadays it gets too laggy and I'm not able to use it properly. So I'm planning to shift it to the stock ROM. Okay. Now what you're supposed to do is first download the Odin file. Just just go to the xdadevelopers.com in the website and just download Odin and the stock ROM. So this is the Odin. So let's extract here. So this is the Odin file. So let's do the same thing here. So this will take a bit of time because like it has to extract a very big file. It is around 990 MB. So guys, now the main folders are Odin and this file. Now, now when you see the phone now, just uh, just unroot your phone. So you'll be needing Super SU. Now settings. Now do the full unroot. So before you do, guys, just be read the file. It is given if cleanup succeeds, root will be lost, and this app will close automatically in a few seconds. Please reboot your device afterwards. Beware that some kernels automatically reroute at boot. Are you sure you want to continue? So press continue. So as you see,
guys, this
guys,
also will be
now
taking a
it
lot
took
of
me
time.
almost 25 minutes to complete the unrooting process. I don't know whether it's unrooted completely. Now it gives you a feedback that welcome back. Yes, do you want to continue your session? Yeah, do plus yes continue. Now you can see that it it's not like normal again. I don't know what happened to this. Okay, now go back to the main menu. Now before you can just remove the custom ROM, just so guys, this is the Iron Man back cover which I got it from Flipkart. It's totally amazing. Now we'll keep that aside. Now take the battery out. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, now just place the battery in. So guys, you have to go to the downloading mode, which no, go to the custom recovery mode, which is volume up button, power button, and home button simultaneously. Press the volume up, power, and home button simultaneously. So it will come like it will open like this. So it will be like, so you have to do wipe data factory reset. Now wipe all user data. I don't know whether you people can see this. Press that. Now it will take a bit of time. So now it's formatting data, catch, everything. So this is the latest CWM recovery, guys. See 6.0.5.1. I don't know whether the newest launched. I don't know. So this is very this is the most useful seed recovery, guys. So it's very brilliant. So I think now it's done with the uh, data wipe. Now what you're going to do is remove the battery and place it again. Now guys, you have to go to the downloading mode, which is you have to do the same thing but volume down button, power button, and home button. So guys, it will show you a custom OS can cause a critical problems. Just press volume up button to continue. So it will show you it is in Odin. I don't know if people can see. Let me just keep it a bit aside. Yeah, it's Odin mode. So you just have to connect your phone to the mobile now. Now now right click the Odin extracted file and run as an administrator. Now it will ask you whether if you have like now actually I put a password. Okay, so let me just type the password. Sorry guys. So you have to run as administrator. So now this thing is showing you that it has been the phone has been connected. Now press. Now wait. Is it connected? Now it's added. Okay. So don't change anything, guys. It's totally correct. So now go for AP. This is the file, guys. You are supposed to select this file. This file. So press this file. It's AP file. Open it. So you have to just wait for some time. As you can see, guys, now the download is completed. Next, the step you're gonna do is press start and keep also the eye on the phone, guys. The phone, I just kept it here. So press start. So as you people can see here, it's starting to download. Just keep it aside. So guys, as it might take a lot of time, I'm just gonna pause the video here. As you people can see, guys, now it's almost 90% complete. Even in the phone, it's showing you that it's complete, almost full. So just matter of 2 minutes or 3 minutes, it will be totally completed. Guys, this method of or the process is very like easy, guys, like for Samsung users, but you need a lot of patience for doing it. So just guys, this won't brick your phone. Just be casual and just be patient and just keep on proceeding with the step. I know, guys, I can't teach you people properly, but I just tried my level best because just now I'm starting my YouTube channel into the tech field. So guys, now it's almost 99% complete, even the phone. So it's guys, it's completed. Now it's passed. So just take off the charge USB cable. Just uh, keep looking at the phone. Now just concentrate on the phone. We just leave the phone computer aside. So after almost 1 year, I'm just bringing my phone to normal. So happy right now, bye guys. Now you people can see that now those things which were written on the left side corner, top corner, is totally gone. Wow. Now guys, congratulations, you have successfully unrooted and moved your phone into custom ROM. Not the custom ROM, sorry, into the stock ROM. So guys, because we are doing the first boot, it might take a bit more time than usual because it has to launch all the inbuilt applications. So just wait for some time. Guys, now it is welcoming you into the phone now. Now you just select whatever you want. Now start. I'll insert the SIM afterwards. Now guys, this is my Wi-Fi. I'll just be with you in a second. I'm done with the password typing, guys. Now next. Now it's connected to my Wi-Fi. Minus 2.5 2.4 or 2.5, I don't know, guys, gigahertz Wi-Fi network band. Now click next. Now I use the network for timing. You can see, guys, that the it is use a lot amount of energy, like battery. Now click next. Just please, I understand, yes, agree, everything. Next, we just, it is asking for the Google account. I'll tell yes. I'll be with you in a second. Now guys, now I'm signing into my account now. So it is showing locations back. Just keep on selecting that. Payment info, I'll just skip it. My name, this phone belongs to me. I'll put my account afterwards. Skip. So finally, guys, now you are totally into the net. So you can see it's totally done. Now, just to be sure, we'll just go to the settings menu, general settings, about device, status. See, you people can see that the phone is, it's given official. So this is perfectly done. So thanks guys for watching. This is totally this is the method to see. Now I was in custom ROM 5.1. Now it's at 4.4.2, that is KitKat. See, totally cool, guys. Now this is My Magazine. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like it, and please subscribe and like the channel, which helps us a lot. Thank you.